Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the monthly chart or the long-term chart of Altria Group, ALTRIA, and this stock has started correcting from 2017 onwards, and from the highs it has already been done or corrected by nearly 60%, and then we have seen an upside from the lows of 2020, but it looks like the cycle of correction for this particular stock has not yet ended. The reason is each and every stock moves into its own cycle and it may end its correction soon. We have to wait for a couple of more probably weeks or months. That's also a probability over here, but the reason for looking at this particular stock chart is the way it has performed, more specifically from the lows of 1980, and it has given you a steady return of 20,000% or 20,000 plus percent rather, from the lows of 1980 and to the highs of 2017, and then we have seen some sharp correction, or in the overall context a correction that's been happening over here. But once things done and dusted, you will see an uptrend going forward, and this kind of trend are very good indeed, for the simple reason is the overall trend is on the upside. So obviously in this kind of price action, as far as the Altria group is concerned, in this case is going to perform quite good. The probability is it's going to perform quite good once the correction is over. So let's start analyzing the chart of Altria group, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. So here we are. So this is the upper end of the range in front of us, okay, connecting all the dots. Now as far as the lower end of the range, there are probabilities. Why I am saying probabilities, let me show it to you. As I told you, the correction is not yet over, so there are probabilities about the support level where we are going to see the stock will takes its support and start moving higher. So right now there are two probabilities that we have here as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. And what are those two probabilities? It will either take support at 31.66, that's your first support level, or it will take support at or near 23.5. so these are your two important levels on the downside that you are going to look at, and probably in this kind of price action, consider these levels as your buying zone if you are really interested in this particular stock. That's depend upon your personal choice obviously. So these are the two levels where you can see a good buying opportunity will come in front of you, and rather than considering as a turnaround zone or a support or stop loss, obviously $23 is going to be your stop loss and one must not go below $23, but at the same time these are the levels which you may consider as your buying zone, for the simple reason when overall stock trend is on the upside and it is giving you a correction, a good correction, time and price both, then obviously one has to look at this kind of price chart as an opportunity. So anyways, these are the two levels which you're gonna look at as far as the lower end of the range is concerned, and try not to go below 23 bucks. And as far as the upside is concerned, once the downside is over, the upcoming target for the next couple of years will be in between 138 and 240 or rather $250 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the next upside target is concerned, once the correction is over, and the upside that I'm talking about is for the next couple of years, so it is for the long term. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.